Hi friends, how's it going? It is Grace and I am going to make a video today on how to work with eyeshadow when you have a hooded eye. And as I get a little bit older, I do have more of a hooded eye. There are people that have it all their life, and then there are some things called an acquired hood where it just starts to fall a little bit, let's be honest. So I'm going to teach you today how to use color, how to use brushes, and what shades to kind of use in what spots, okay? So I have 4 brushes. They all are part of the Mary Kay brush collection, minus one. So with that being said, I have an all over brush, an all over eyeshadow brush. I have a smudger brush. I have my all-time favorite brush of ever, and that is the fluffy blending brush. This one is a separate brush, and it doesn't come in the collection. And then the last one is the crease brush, and it has this nice angle to it. Now, you can see that I have one eye done and one eye not done, okay? Can we agree that this looks more open? It looks really crazy, right? Well, I have my eye prepped with a little bit of translucent powder. And our translucent powder, it looks kind of like flour, but it takes on the color of whatever is underneath of it. I love using translucent powder. It blocks out a little bit of the veining so that you can't see just like the veins and stuff on my lid as much, but it also makes eyeshadow go on really smoothly. A lot of people are into primers, but I find that if you use a fantastic translucent powder, it's a little softer and you don't need as much primer, and I'm just not as much of a fan of primers. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start, one thing that determines how your color looks is the brush that you use, and then also too how dense the bristles are. So I'm gonna be using an all over eyeshadow brush. This one has what I would call a medium density, like it's a little stiff, but it's not, it's still got some flex to it. And the other thing is where you hold the brush. The further out you hold it, the softer your color will be. The tighter up you draw on it, the more color it's gonna deposit, okay? So I'm gonna start out with my mid-tone color. Mid-tone colors are matte. They are soft colors. So like this light mauve, this light gray, this really pretty soft brown, but no shimmer, okay? So today I'm gonna be using the mauve, okay? I'm gonna be using the mauve, and I've got quite a bit on the brush, so I'm gonna tap off the excess, and I'm gonna hold it kind of down here at the bottom. Now, I do have a mirror that's like out here where I can see how it's looking from a distance, but then I do have my handheld mirror. I just think that makes it easier. And when you have a hooded eye, you wanna look down. And my sweet friend Michelle is like, can you focus on a hooded eye? I was like, yes. So put your eye down, because it really helps right here, okay? Really helps to see that. And you'll notice that I'm doing soft circles all the way to this inside third of the eye. I stop about here, right about where my brow ends. We don't want it in here. That needs to stay light. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna do soft circles. And you'll notice I'm still choked back on the brush a little bit because I don't want it to be super heavy. It is easier to layer makeup on in soft coats than it is to do it in one heavy coat. So now I'm coming in here, I've got that in, and now I'm gonna come in here across my lash line. I'm gonna put my eye up a little bit and come in here along this lash line and really make sure I'm in there good, okay? I'm also gonna put this up underneath my lash line, okay? Like, look at it, it's already opening up. Such an awesome thing. Now, I'm gonna take my smudger brush. This one is very dense, okay? It's got lots of little hairs, or little bristles, they're short. I'm gonna use a really pretty, this is what we would call our accent color. This is gonna be your dark color. It could be a dark brown, it could be a dark gray, it could be dark, like more of a black color. It can be whatever you want. I'm using like a plum color today because I want my eyes to look kind of gold brown. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here into this V. And when you're in this crease part, you don't wanna use a lot of shimmer in this crease part. We wanna make it more matte, especially if you're over 35. It just serves us better in that regard. So now I've put that in place, and you'll notice again, I was using kind of soft circular into this little V. You'll also notice I don't bring it out far. It should end where your eyebrow ends. Putting eyeshadow out here is not a good look. We're gonna take my big fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna blend that together, okay? So that I get a nice soft effect. Okay, and then the final thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my all over brush I said final, but it's not really final. I'm gonna take my all over blending brush and I'm gonna take a really soft shimmer color. In this case today, I'm gonna be using, we have Moonstone, there is Smoky Quartz, which is a little more silver. There is Candlelight, which has a champagne color. And I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna put it right here onto the inside part of the eye. And I'm gonna bring it about through a quarter of the way in, maybe a third, because I really wanna lighten up this inside part of the eye. Now I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again and I'm gonna blend, okay? Look at how good that looks. Now I'm gonna take my crease brush and I'm gonna take my mid-tone one more time and I'm just gonna come in because I just wanna make sure I've got a nice cut on that crease because that is for our hooded-eyed friends, the answer, okay? Now I'm gonna finish by putting on my eyeliner. I'm gonna take my eyeliner, okay? And I am gonna blend one little spot right here, okay? Just one little spot. I just wanna make sure that I get it nice and even. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna take my eyeliner. I'm using black because it'll show up easier. Most folks should not use black. I am what we call a winter, which means I have really dark hair and fair skin, so I can do it. But this, I'm going to come up here right underneath my lash line, okay? Right where the actual hair fits into the skin. And you're gonna notice I'm keeping it kind of thin. I'm gonna kind of pull up here at the end a little bit, okay? And what I'm gonna do is then I'm going to put my accent color again, okay, my dark color, right here on the smudger brush, and I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna smudge it so that it's kind of softer and pretty and sets my color, okay? Look at how great that looks, just nice and soft and pretty. And I'm gonna do a couple coats of mascara to finish it out. If you want, one thing that I like to do is take a little bit of my accent color again, and I'll do this bottom part. To give me a little bit of definition on the bottom, but not too dark. And I'll try to post a picture of the finished product just so that you can take a look. I forget, I really don't mean to, but I forget. So with that being said, I hope this helped my sisters with the hooded eye. And the most important thing is play, have fun, and whenever you need help, don't be afraid to ask because I love, love, love helping you. Bye.